Mustang Coupe.
2001.
And you've got a receipt still? What did you show me?
I got the receipt from Barnes & Noble.
He's got a Barnes & Noble receipt still.
April 2001.
Now there you go. There's a see. It's all about the.
Okay.
But
all right. Well, I took my hat off there. Sorry for the reflection. We're looking in the book, and the book's got it stops at 70. I kept looking at the cover, and I'm saying, you know, what's the deal? So what do? We went online. So this is the answer to your question, which you probably already know, but I'm doing it anyway. Here it is. Adam and I, we went to the book. Dun, dun, dun. No bueno. So we went online, and what is the name of this site?
let me see here.
Mustang VIN decoder page. It's a, well, it is what it is. Here, I'll try to, hopefully you guys can see that and you can discern it if you want to, but you can simply Google search Ford VIN decoder, and there it is. There's the breakout. The body style, coupe, convertible, etc. is there. See the 09? Now, I believe it's 03, so let's click on 71, and let's see, is that body codes, there it is, body codes, hardtop, sports roof, and convertible, grande, mach 1. 05, there it is, there's the answer, guys. 05, if you see 05, and at least a 71, that means it's a mach 1. It's got a unique VIN code.
02 is just a standard sports roof.
Right, 02 is a standard sports roof. In 71, I don't like to say this to you guys, especially if you own one, they're not really valuable. The coupes, right? You said sports roof?
Yeah.
A sports roof is not a Mach 1, it's a fastback, similar to the 71 that I did. It was I don't want to say just a sports roof because it's a fastback. I love fastbacks. But the 71 coupes, 72, 73 coupes, in great shape. $5 grand? $6 grand? Eh?
Nice driver.
Adam? Yeah.
I'll go with that.
But show them your printout of your Mustang. Look at the Mustang that Adam had. I keep meeting Mustang people. It's amazing.
This is just one of them.
There it is.
Of course, the guy I sold it to changed it to silver.
He was painted silver?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Well, it's his prerogative.
But he paid me for it.
That's
so
how
it doesn't matter.
he bought the car. Do what you want with it. I just won't look because I partially still love the car. But he's a fellow Mustang. What year was that?
That was a 73.
73. So it had the vertical running lights in the front.
Yep.
Yep. See? I know my Mustang still. I haven't forgotten everything, guys. Thank you, Adam.
Yep.
Adam, making sure that you're getting a real car over here at Classic Auto Mall. I don't know why I'm talking so slowly. All right. Adam just said something that I was like, I got to put this on video. And he's talking about one of the cars he got. What did you call it?
Rescue.
He calls his car a rescue. Now, maybe some of you that's normal. I think of a dog or a pet in a pound, but he calls his cars rescues. I think it's great.
You have to. I mean, you know, it's not nice enough to restore.